You can make money with Wix Studio by leveraging its powerful website building and business tools. Here are several ways to monetize your skills and platform. Offer web design services. Use Wix Studio to design and build websites for clients. You can charge a flat fee or monthly retainer for services such as custom website creation, SEO optimization, maintenance and updates. Join the Wix Partner Program to access more clients and exclusive benefits. Sell products and services. Set up an online store using Wix Studio's e-commerce tools. Sell physical or digital products. Offer services like coaching, photography, or consulting. Use Wix payments or third-party gateways to accept payments securely. Create membership or subscription sites. Charge for exclusive content by creating a membership site. Offer courses or tutorials, premium resources, community access. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using affiliate links through blogs or landing pages. Earn commissions from each sale. Ads and sponsorships. Monetize your traffic by placing sponsored content or using Google AdSense.